Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I got here. I got some watch bands. So I have a watch here that just doesn't have any band to it. I don't know what happened, but got some extra bands. I think this is for the, hopefully this is gonna be for the small one. It looks like it comes with 3 different colors. But let's just try this one here. And I have what is this one? A Watch Ultra, and so this one should be smaller for this. Let's see how this fits. How does this go? The top is, oh, that's kind of a cool looking picture. I think it goes that way. So this, I don't know which is the top and which is the bottom of these straps, but let's see if it slides in. It slides in and clips. And this slides in and clips. So there we go. Now we have a watch band. Let's try it on. I've got it on a charger now, but let's see if I go like that. And that, it works. So that's pretty cool. Nice band. It's really nice, and let me show you guys it here. I'm just gonna stick it back on here so this stuff charges, but you can see it's pretty thin, but it's, there maybe. See, it's got a pattern on it of like little butterflies. I guess if we go this way here, got butterflies, and then it's got the little nub, but this nub, instead of it being round, like sometimes the Apple ones have, it's a little bit different shape, but it makes it good. So when it sticks in, when it makes it stick in there, so you can go like this, it'll stick in. I don't know, it's hard to focus, but there we go. See, then it stays in good, and you can tuck it in just like the regular Apple band. So very nice. Nice little setup here. I like it. Now let's see what the other ones look like, just so we can do a comparison here. And so this is the white one. There we go, we can see it. Boy, the focus is not great on my phone right now. If I click it, there we go. So there. So that's what that one looks like. And then we have this. I don't know, is this green maybe? Oh, that one focuses real good. Maybe just the color white just doesn't, those light ones don't focus good. But that's what it looks like. It looks really nice. And you don't really see the pattern too much. Probably the person wearing it will see it more than anybody else because it doesn't have colors on the inside or anything. So it's really nice though. I like it. And it's nice. It's got made out of the same good rubber that the Apple ones are. And it's got the metal clip, so it clips in there good. It's gonna stay and not fall out. So I'm gonna say these are really nice. Let's see what they are here. I'm not sure of the brand or whatever, but these are great. So thumbs up from me. I'm gonna put a link to these in the description so you guys can pick some up for yourselves. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.